It's incredible to think that the human race has conquered the skies, we've ventured into space, and we've even visited other worlds. We've been able to expand into horizons like at no other time in history. But at LifeWave, we see a more urgent challenge right here at home. We have an opportunity to be a leader in helping people in need with an incredible new aviation technology. I started Thunderstrike with a very simple objective in mind. Let's create a new drone technology capable of helping those in need when they need it. Imagine being able to deliver humanitarian aid in times of crisis with a drone that has unmatched endurance, extraordinary efficiency, with this technology actually working in harmony with nature, being completely non-polluting, being able to provide valuable information to workers during a crisis so we can deliver life-saving medical supplies. And being able to work with organizations to alleviate human suffering whenever and wherever it occurs. The simple message in all of this is that LifeWave will be there. Making a future one that we can all look forward to.